Have you ever wanted to speak English but did not know where to start? Maybe you feel nervous or think, what if I make mistakes? I totally understand, but don't worry, because today I will show you how to start speaking English from zero, step by step, in a fun and easy way. Stay with me till the end and you will feel confident to start speaking English from today itself. Step number 1, listen and listen. Think about how babies learn to talk. Do they start by memorizing grammar rules? No. They just listen to their parents, and that's exactly what you need to do. Listen to English every day. Watch movies, listen to podcasts, or follow English YouTube channels. Even if you do not understand every word, even if you do not understand every word, it is okay. Just keep listening and your brain will start picking it up naturally, right? And step number 2, start with simple words and sentences. You don't need big words to start speaking. Just begin with small simple sentences, and you can try these words like hello, how are you, I'm fine, right, it's so beautiful, and use them every day. Even if you only know 10 sentences, that's okay. Use those sentences as much as possible. It's all about practice, so you have to use those sentences. Step number 3, think in English. Most people make a big mistake. They think in their native language and then try to translate into English, but that takes time. Instead, start thinking directly in English. Step number 4, talk to yourself. I know this sounds funny, but trust me, it works. Just stand in front of a mirror and say, hello, my name is Smruti, I'm learning English. Talk to yourself. Talk about your day, what you ate, and what you plan to do. The more you do this, the more comfortable you will feel speaking English. Step number 5, don't be afraid of mistakes. A big reason people do not speak English is fear. What if I make mistakes? But guess what? It's okay to make mistakes. Mistakes mean you are learning. Nobody speaks perfect in the beginning. Just speak without fear, and over time you will improve. And step number 6, find a speaking partner. If you have a friend who also wants to learn English, practice together. Even if you just talk for 5 minutes a day, it will help a lot. No partner? No problem. You can also join online English speaking groups. Step number 7, be confident. Practice every day. Imagine going to the gym. If you go once a month, you will get fit. Yes or no? No. But if you go every day, you will see results. The same is true for English. Practice a little every day and you will improve. Set a small goal like speaking for 5 minutes daily and do not skip it. So are you ready to start speaking English from today? Just follow these simple steps and trust me, you will see the difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to LCL English for more fun and easy English lessons. See you in the next video, but till the time, keep learning and keep practicing. Thank you so much.